Take a look at what I made with $3 tree items. These look like $80 restoration hardware apothecary jars. But I spent less than $5. I'm obsessed with how this turned out, and this is just one of $15 tree transformations I'm sharing with you today. As we move through this video, you'll see everyday finds turn into elegant home decor and garden pieces that honestly don't look budget at all. Stay with me because each project keeps getting better. Welcome back to Timeless Gardening, where we believe beautiful spaces don't need a big budget, just a little creativity and the right ideas. If you're new here, you're in the right place. Today's video is packed with high-end Dollar Tree decor transformations for both your home and garden, all designed to feel classic, elevated, and easy to recreate. Before we get started, let me know in the comments where you're watching from. I love seeing how far this community reaches. And have you ever transformed Dollar Tree finds before? If you enjoy budget-friendly decor that looks anything but cheap, make sure to like this video and subscribe so you don't miss what's coming next. Let's get into it. DIY number 1, Faux Marble Catchel Tree. This DIY turns a simple Dollar Tree plastic tray into a chic high-end looking accent. You'll need a plastic serving tray, white spray paint, black acrylic paint, and an optional clear sealer or Mod Podge. The inspiration comes from marble trays at stores like West Elm, which usually cost $40 to $60. Start by cleaning the tray and applying a white base coat. Then create subtle marble veining with black paint using a feather or crumpled plastic bag technique. Seal it for durability if desired. Once finished, the tray works anywhere from an entryway for keys, to a coffee table for candles, or a vanity for jewelry. Estimated time is about 30 minutes plus drying, giving you a quick budget-friendly upgrade that looks surprisingly polished. DIY number 2, Tiered Succulent Fountain Planter. This DIY turns a few Dollar Tree garden items into a striking tiered planter. You'll need 3 terracotta saucers in different sizes, a candlestick holder, strong glue like E6000 or Gorilla Glue, and stone or concrete finish spray paint. The inspiration comes from boutique tiered planters that often sell for over $100. Start by stacking and gluing the saucers onto the candlestick to create tiers. Then spray paint for a cohesive finish, and lightly distress the edges for a natural weathered look. Once assembled, fill each tier with succulents, trailing plants or seasonal flowers. It's perfect for a front porch, patio table or garden corner. Estimated time is about 45 minutes plus drying and curing, resulting in a unique high-end planter made entirely from budget-friendly items. DIY number 3, Chunky Knit Basket Transformation. This project transforms a basic Dollar Tree plastic basket into a cozy high-end looking storage piece. You'll need 1 plastic basket, 4 to 5 rolls of chunky yarn, and a hot glue gun with glue sticks. The inspiration comes from woven and knit baskets sold at Target or HomeGoods for $35 to $50. Start by wrapping the yarn around the basket in thick even rows, securing it with hot glue as you go. Add optional braided handles or pom-poms for extra detail. Once complete, the basket is perfect for storing blankets, hiding plant pots, or organizing toys while adding texture and warmth to your space. Estimated time is about an hour, giving you a quick and stylish upgrade for a basic Dollar Tree item. DIY number 4, Vintage Botanical Garden Markers. This project adds charm and organization to your garden with a vintage feel. You'll need wooden spoons or craft sticks, chalkboard paint, twine or jute rope, and small artificial botanicals. The inspiration comes from boutique garden markers that sell for $8 to $12 each. Start by painting the spoon bowls with chalkboard paint and letting them dry. Then lightly distress the edges. Write plant or herb names with a chalk marker and finish by tying twine around the handle with a small floral accent. These markers work beautifully in herb gardens, vegetable patches, or potted plants, making your garden feel curated and stylish. Estimated time is about 45 minutes, including drying, giving you a simple decorative upgrade that feels intentional and timeless. DIY number 5, Geometric Gold Wire Wall Shelf. This DIY is a great example of how Dollar Tree basics can be pushed into modern designer-style decor with just a little imagination. For this one, you'll need a wire cooling rack, gold spray paint, a small wooden board or sturdy cardboard for the shelf base, and command strips or wire for hanging. The inspiration comes from geometric wall shelves you see at places like Urban Outfitters or boutique home stores, often priced between $40 and $60. The process starts by spray painting the cooling rack in a soft metallic gold and letting it dry completely. While that sets, you cut and paint the shelf piece to fit neatly inside the wire frame, then secure it in place using wire ties or hot glue. The clean lines and metallic finish instantly make this look intentional and high-end. Once styled, this shelf works beautifully as a small plant display, a spot for succulents or air plants, or even a minimalist book and decor nook. Hang it in an entryway, office or living room for an elevated accent, and expect about 40 minutes of hands-on time, plus drying, to complete the project. DIY number 6, Mosaic Stepping Stones. This DIY brings a custom artistic touch to your garden, and creates something that feels both functional and decorative. For this DIY, you'll need textured plastic placemats from Dollar Tree to use as flexible molds, glass gems or decorative stones, and cooking spray to prevent sticking. You'll also need a bag of cement or concrete mix from a hardware store, which is the only non-Dollar Tree supply. The inspiration comes from decorative garden stepping stones that typically sell for $20 to $35 each at garden centers. The process begins by lightly spraying the placemats, mixing the concrete according to directions, and pouring it evenly into the mold. While the surface is still wet, you gently press in the glass gems or stones to create a mosaic pattern, keeping the design simple so it feels timeless rather than busy. Once cured, these stepping stones add instant character to garden paths, seating areas, or spaces beneath large planters. They work beautifully as a subtle walkway through flower beds, or as individual accent pieces that catch the light. The estimated time is about 30 minutes of active work, with a curing time of 24 to 48 hours, before placing them outside. The finished result looks like something you'd find in a specialty garden shop, but each piece is completely unique and made for a fraction of the cost. DIY number 7, Mercury Glass Apothecary Jars. This is the DIY that instantly makes people ask where you bought it. For this transformation, you'll need 2 or 3 glass jars or vases with lids from Dollar Tree, mirror effect spray paint, and a simple vinegar and water mixture. The inspiration comes from Mercury Glass Apothecary Jars, sold at high-end retailers, like Restoration Hardware, where similar pieces can easily run $65 to $90 each. The process is quick but impactful. After thoroughly cleaning the glass, you lightly spray the inside with the vinegar solution, then immediately apply the mirror paint. As the paint reacts, it creates that mottled aged mercury glass effect that looks authentic and intentionally imperfect once dry. These jars are incredibly versatile when it comes to styling. Use them on a bathroom vanity, a mantle or a coffee table, either empty or filled with cotton balls, faux florals or seasonal accents. The hands-on time is about 25 minutes, plus drying, making this one of those high-reward projects you can finish in under an hour, and reuse year after year. DIY number 8, Hanging Copper Pipe Planter. This DIY transforms simple Dollar Tree materials into a striking vertical garden feature that looks far more expensive than it really is. For this DIY, you'll need PVC pipe pieces or wooden dowels, copper spray paint, rope or macrame cord, and small terracotta pots. The inspiration comes from hanging planters sold at specialty garden stores, often priced between $55 and $80. The process begins by cutting the pipes or dowels to size, and giving them a metallic copper finish with spray paint. Next, you create a ladder-style frame, using the rope, attaching the pipes or dowels as crossbars, and then secure the pots at intervals to hold plants like pothos, string of pearls or herbs. Once complete, this planter adds a dynamic vertical element to any outdoor or indoor space. Hang it on a porch, balcony, or fence corner, to save space while still creating a lush, layered display. The estimated time for assembly is about an hour, plus drying, making it a visually impactful DIY that elevates your garden or patio instantly, while staying budget-friendly. DIY number 9, Tufted Ottoman Stool Makeover. This DIY takes a basic Dollar Tree plastic step stool, and turns it into a chic, tufted ottoman that looks like a designer piece. For this transformation, you'll need a plastic step stool, foam sheets for padding, fabric, a Dollar Tree tablecloth works perfectly, and button covers for the tufting detail. The inspiration comes from tufted ottomans sold at high-end retailers for $80 to $120. The process begins by layering foam on the stool's top for comfort, then wrapping and securing the fabric tightly over the foam with glue or staples. Finally, create the tufted effect by attaching button covers evenly across the top, adding a decorative fabric skirt if desired for a finished polished look. Once completed, this ottoman serves multiple purposes. It can be extra seating, a footrest or a vanity stool. It instantly upgrades the space with its tailored appearance and elegant texture. The estimated time for this project is about an hour and a half, making it a slightly longer DIY, but the high-end result is well worth the effort, and makes a small inexpensive item feel like a statement piece in any room. DIY number 10, Fairy Garden Lantern House. This whimsical DIY transforms a simple Dollar Tree lantern into a miniature fairy garden that adds charm and magic to any space. For this DIY, you'll need a glass lantern or hurricane vase, miniature rocks and moss, tiny decorative accessories, a battery-operated tea light, and a small succulent or air plant. The inspiration comes from fairy garden kits that often sell for $30 to $50 at craft stores. The process begins by layering rocks or pebbles at the bottom of the lantern, arranging moss and miniature elements to create a tiny scene, and finally placing the plant inside. Top it off with the LED tea light to create a glowing enchanted effect that brings your mini garden to life. Once completed, this lantern works beautifully as a garden centerpiece, porch decoration, or shelf accent. It instantly adds a sense of whimsy and personality, while remaining low maintenance. The estimated time for this DIY is about 30 minutes, making it a quick, fun, and highly rewarding DIY that elevates simple Dollar Tree items into a magical display. DIY number 11, Abstract Canvas Wall Art. This DIY turns basic Dollar Tree canvases into striking, gallery-style wall art that looks curated and intentional. For this DIY, you'll need 3 canvas boards, a selection of coordinating acrylic paints, and sponges or palette knife alternatives for texture. The inspiration comes from abstract art pieces sold at home goods or boutique stores, often priced between $60 and $150 for a set. The process starts by selecting a color palette and applying paint using sponging, scraping, or pouring techniques to create dynamic shapes and textures. Focus on cohesion across all 3 panels, so they work together as a set, and finish with a coat of Mod Podge or clear sealant for durability and a subtle sheen. Once completed, this abstract art set works perfectly as a living room gallery wall, bedroom accent, or office focal point. The panels create visual interest, depth, and sophistication, while remaining entirely budget-friendly. The estimated time for this DIY is about 45 minutes, plus drying, making it a relatively quick DIY that has a big visual impact on any space. DIY number 12, Rustic Ladder Plant Stand. This DIY takes simple Dollar Tree wooden rulers or yardsticks, and turns them into a charming rustic ladder-style plant stand. For this DIY, you'll need 6 rulers or yardsticks, wood stain or dark paint, strong glue or small nails, and small S-hooks for hanging plants. The inspiration comes from ladder plant stands that sell for $45 to $70 at garden and home stores. The process begins by constructing an A-frame ladder structure with the rulers, securing crossbars for stability and plant placement. Once the frame is assembled, stain or paint it to create a rustic, aged finish, and attach S-hooks to hang small pots or place plants directly on the steps. This ladder stand adds a vertical dimension to any garden or indoor plant display, perfect for patios, corners, or herb gardens. It's a versatile and functional piece that immediately elevates the look of your space. The estimated time for this DIY is about an hour, plus drying time, resulting in a sturdy, stylish stand that looks much more expensive than the simple materials it started with. DIY number 13, Velvet Rib Vase Collection. This DIY transforms plain Dollar Tree glass cylinder vases into a luxurious, tactile display with a velvet rib texture. For this DIY, you'll need 3 glass vases of varying sizes, velvet fabric or ribbon rolls, a hot glue gun, and rubber bands to hold the fabric in place while working. The inspiration comes from modern rib vases sold at home decor stores for $25 to $40 each. The process begins by cutting velvet into strips and gluing them horizontally around the vases, creating evenly spaced ribbing from bottom to top. Working slowly ensures the texture looks polished and consistent across all pieces, giving the collection a cohesive, high-end appearance. Once completed, these vases make a striking centerpiece for a mantel, dining table, or entryway console. The tactile finish adds depth and elegance to your decor, while the varied sizes create visual interest when grouped together. The estimated time for this DIY is about an hour, making it a simple yet impressive upgrade that elevates basic Dollar Tree vases into a luxe-looking display. DIY number 14, Solar Light Garden Spheres. This DIY turns simple Dollar Tree glass bowls into glowing decorative garden accents that look custom-made. For this DIY, you'll need 2 clear glass bowls or globes, solar garden lights with stakes, glass paint or stain, and decorative stones or marbles. The inspiration comes from decorative garden spheres that typically sell for $35 to $55 each. The process begins by removing the solar light mechanism from the stake, then creating a stained glass effect on the bowls using the paint or stain. Place the solar mechanism inside the bowl, and add stones or marbles for weight and visual interest, ensuring the sphere remains stable when positioned outdoors. Once finished, these garden spheres add a magical glow to flower beds, pathways, or patio areas, instantly elevating your outdoor space. The estimated time for this DIY is about 30 minutes, plus drying for the paint, making it a quick, easy, and highly effective way to create high-end looking garden decor from simple, affordable items. DIY number 15, Luxe Coffee Table Book Stack. This DIY transforms basic Dollar Tree notebooks or composition books into a stylish, designer-inspired coffee table stack. For this DIY, you'll need 5 hardcover notebooks, decorative or contact paper, a metallic paint pen and ribbon for spine detailing. The inspiration comes from decorative coffee table books sold for $15 to $30 each at home and lifestyle stores. The process begins by covering each book in elegant neutral-toned paper, then using the metallic pen to create faux titles on the spines. Add ribbon accents or other small details for a polished high-end look and stack the books in an aesthetically pleasing arrangement for maximum visual impact. Once completed, this book stack works beautifully as a centerpiece on a coffee table, a decorative element on a shelf, or an accent on a nightstand. The finished result adds sophistication and style to any space, giving the impression of curated, expensive decor, while staying entirely budget-friendly. The estimated time for this DIY is about an hour and a half, making it a rewarding DIY that combines creativity with practicality. And there you have it, 15 Dollar Tree transformations that look absolutely high-end. From the mercury glass apothecary jars to the tiered succulent fountain, each DIY proves that a little creativity can turn simple, budget-friendly items into stunning home and garden decor. Which one are you most excited to try first? Drop a comment and let me know where you're watching from. I love seeing how far our timeless gardening family reaches. If you enjoyed these ideas, give this video a thumbs up and share it with anyone who loves affordable DIY projects. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss a new transformation. Thanks so much for watching, and remember, beautiful doesn't have to be expensive.